Asante memwa mrante bibiri ni mabawa bibiri yikase. Se nipa mienu no nja ntokwa konde ya you go for the alternative, and the alternative is you Bryan Champo.
Ebusiafo Ashante region communicators ni bi no mo ekase no mo the morning way Emma Honorable Kennedy Akompre Japan the camp and former Vice President Dr. Bawumia the camp almost say sa nkrofo mienu almost supporters na dey nsem hu no mo di wo internet ne so na NPP fo nyina beko adwen baako no mo ato aba no e de ama owura Bryan Champo because ono so deserve it. Ono so NPP fo ka say we have the men na ono so ya man na asemia communicators yikin me no mo ya 100% e support mo monto aba ne ma Honorable Bryan Champo na sa nsema e koso NPP I'm telling you say so Honorable Kennedy Akompre Japan winia enya dia Dr. Bawumia ne fan base on be campaign I am muya project because dear Honorable Kennedy Akompre Japan e the NPP for 2024 no emuya yaw and some Honorable Kennedy Akompre Japan can NPP for NDC for the NPP no I know ya shit into no even say NPP for be support sorry Honorable Ken winning na so be supporting no kwanya papa bia Sasna Dr. Bawumia so winning Honorable Ken the camp no kasa was support anything ya papa bia into the Honorable Bryan Champo monto mom causing say mu NDC for NPP for the big do internet no so no one kasa mu internal elections am ba ko chese me dwe ho kra menti ase chese omo a 2024 mu ya campaign ma Dr. Bawumia boys ni bi no ko TikTok and some more can any ya time na me chese ahu na menti ase me pa chese internal election internal campaign na mu no bi kwa na mu ne NDC fu na enya ntokwa na se mu ni CPP fu ana UPC the W akukọ kube mu na mu no enya ntokwa enya mu amho na moko e na mokeka mu hu sei ya support mu NPP fu mu fa Honorable Bryan Champo ne bana moto aba ne ma no na de Honorable Ken na Dr. Bawumia the camp ne ya ne de 2024 ya da 2028 ya da mutum ya mu basa so a report de mu jire yeti de communicators e de etuja
The party for Asante mem because mother o mase na meka we nyina no we bana me we Ghana fo nyina a very brand new morning oyeba a very brand new morning na me we Ghana fo nyina kire se ene wo hwe de abesensen kurumu a almost the new patriotic party any party a nyame adoma 2028 ese ba ba mo ye betima ba ba mo a gise won kabo mu soronko ye timi ba ba mo ne di hu party mu yama enwuma ayedene amaye enu nti na babunu ene yenwa ma mu nyina kase se mpanyimfo a nkofo nim se ombetima begina brane abo party no so mu ntimi nya de ye de a party ya kan da se ye pasundwe na we have the men oneba the men no nyinipa mienu pe yeguso ayeka se men na de bia ye kan nyinipa mienu pe enu nti na yewura Bryan Champo ayi ne tie
na sembe kreni
enu nti na yewura Bryan Champo ayi ne tire asante memwa mrante bibiri ni mabawa bibiri yikase se nipa mienu no nja ntokwa ne konde ya you go for the alternative, and the alternative is you Bryan Champo. What you say?
Dr. Why not have a woman blow?
Oh, why about the alternative is Bryan Champo. Why about Antoquano? I say go for a bridge to move for a staff for a to move for them. So Munyai, or Muni Babam Hosono, Umuto Machino, no be a new machi. Yes. Party will not leave it to the two. We will not do it. And you move one man. We are not moved by material things, we are moved by conviction. And if the party will be stronger, we will need somebody whose vision is clear and wants to lead this party to victory. Here, Bryan Champo, said he's not in to test power. And before we say we should wait, he's for the future. No, he's not for the future, he's for the now. Because media, as one say example, I'll continue to say it. Because a buffo and go for the social media, and Montre air cano, a buffo no ketwabio. Say you could you rakena. The Bawumia people will sit idle. And if the Bawumia people, about 2024 elections, they can't as some coach. Nana do not go for good rule and within the party. No, nobody has it again now. It is only unity that can give any candidate we select that kind of a chitaya na yura kufowo, a chitaya na yura and another go for the war. But these two candidates, omochita for no. Enya dia omo chere se party no ye be to call. It is omo nya dia party ya kade bia say we have the men and you are Bryan Champo actually say he's logistically prepared, emotionally prepared. We're prepared to move this party forward.
Dr. Bryan Champo say
ideologically inclined.
Back in work as here we when I say okatache program no precisely so
oheba uni oheba
bia mo
oheba anopa yi na wo ka anopa na wo ka se say adomako be
Bishop of GBC GCR also take is right. The alternative is Bryan Champo.
Yes oheba yeru adomako be fi asem na ato no ne onko na ato no ene se uko obi ye program NPP ni ye program now your party now person ko tie keke kura no a
untimi nko
ene na party e jama ne yesa identity say ja party man yesa say bia Dr. Bawumia ba baabi na me se me kwa na obi akọ track ma yeru Bryan Champo say wakoda na odi wachi na wo ye campaign man no ene de okọ Bawumia o. Is that how this party was nurtured in the past? Yemu bi ho no ma we are not moved by say ehun obi atimi hu na ye party no nye hu ene de tete party no it is anyu man nkofo ye no mu nyai entoko no mo kunu me say party for be the last time me ba ha no mo me messages me screenshot to the send screenshot the people who believe say obi na send me o say me na mo su me na mo djuso and I'm ready to join you Bryan Champo dey na ye no it's a movement oh it is not somebody who it's a movement for the party and we are going to move harder than even the appetite that our chairman always says and we are saying so mu nya ntoko no ko a so mu nya ntoko no you Bryan Champo say what they asumdwe ebiom o ka asemi the last time me go say Danny if you are for me continue to support me me pesemeti say o candidate A or B ho asem enya asem papa say wo be say ade ndia sign free match then I saw say this man is a forward looking person. He's somebody who is for the party. It is omunya to kono ko we advise them outside because you too more ofie obuto muntie enti very soon
e be kan say na nkomo awudie ma sneaky onto a WhatsApp platform you follow the Hope campaign na emrante ne maba wa no mu wo gidie ene akomapa so mu de be pushi na na danko akuforam na be mampani to mote platform no 2014 ene mu de year campaign 2016 2020 e de man anado man e be di ni mampani na awie ene okọ platform no so a eja aso wo so no some people leaders of that platform person movie nipa no nyina ko DMB camp ebinumu say no sa dede na aba party no DMB I have two messages for you that I take you. One reads my mate at KNUS who worked under former Western North Regional Minister Jojo Roxon has been posting fake chats about Dr. Bawumia. For this reason I support Honorable Bryan Champo. Give my contact to Teku. My name is Tando Buache, Kumewu Bodumase Senior High Technical School. And I got this one from Bellarina. He says, my mom said this yesterday, that if Kennedy and Bawumia aren't serious, we will go for an alternative. And so,